There's another type of custom audience that I want to talk about, and it's one that's built using LeadEnforce. This type of custom audience could be very small, so it's based on people that are in a very small Facebook group, for example. It could also be something that's very large. So, given that context, it could be used for a narrow campaign, or it could also be used for a broad campaign, or it could also be used as broad targeting at the beginning of a narrow campaign. So, for example, you could use the LeadEnforce audience as the starting point for getting people to watch a video, and then you retarget people that watched half the video with a more aggressive sales pitch. So to give you a demonstration of the different targeting methods, we can see here that we can target members of Facebook groups. We can target people that follow specific Facebook profiles. So perhaps it's an influencer that you find using the tool SparkToro. Could be people that engage with a specific post on Facebook. So that'd be a very, very narrow group. We also have some Instagram targeting capabilities. So for example, people that are involved with certain influencers. We can combine Facebook filters with influencer audiences to get even more precise targeting. We also have some LinkedIn targeting options. So we can target people based on, for example, what their job title is, the industry that they're in, employees of certain companies. Maybe they would be particularly interested in what you're selling, or maybe they get some sort of special discount because they're an employee and it's part of their benefits package to get a discount on your products. We also have capabilities of targeting competitors' customers, for example, or people that follow one of your competitors' pages. All of these can be built into custom audiences, but the example that I'm going to give is how to target people based on the Facebook page that they like. We're now in the LeadEnforce dashboard, and what we're going to do is we're going to hit Create New. We're going to select the Facebook option rather than using Instagram or LinkedIn. We're going to call this page likers. I'm going to add a source. And what it's going to require is a link here. So we're going to go to Facebook and find a page that we're interested in, targeting those who like that page. I was able to find this particular page here. Pro Running Direct has quite a few people, so 43,000 people like it. Might be a good way of targeting people that are interested in buying your running shoes, your running equipment. So let's just copy and paste this URL right here. I'm going to hit add. So out of that 43,000 people that liked it publicly, we were able to get 32 to 33,000, which is not bad. So we're going to select this and hit start analyzing. I've done cases like this where you're dealing with millions and millions of people, so it takes some time. Sometimes it can take hours, and you are going to have to wait for an email when the analysis is done. And don't expect that you're going to be able to hit all the users, and also expect that some of the pages that you try to target are just not going to be viable. In other words, your match rate's going to be just too low. So don't put all your eggs into one basket. Try to find a few different pages or a few different influencers, a few different sources of custom audiences that you could use, and hopefully you find at least one that's going to be quite helpful. Once the analysis is done, what you're going to do is check off the group, and then you're going to hit share, create new audience. You're going to name it. So page likers, for example. You're going to select the ad account, and you're going to select accept the terms, and then hit save. Now, if you haven't added an ad account, you're going to have to do so by clicking this. But just keep in mind that the call to action you want here is save. It's not going to be the blue button. And what that's going to do is it's going to take this list and bring it into your ad manager. So that's how you do that, is by hitting save. Now what you're going to have is a new custom list for targeting purposes in the ad manager. Here I am in the ad manager. I'm in a specific ad set. I've scrolled down to custom audiences, and what I want to do is search existing audiences. I had an audience built in LeadEnforce, so I named it LeadEnforce, and you can see that it shows up here. So you could select that as a targeting option. Once you're done analyzing and saving the new audience that you built in LeadEnforce.